How to complete your KYC process on Stucred. 1. Aadhaar ID authentication. Enter your Aadhaar number and validate your Aadhaar with OTP. 2. PAN authentication. Click a clear picture of your PAN card. 3. Visual authentication. Make sure you take a video in a light, bright place with face clarity by reading the OTP aloud. 4. Student authentication. Upload your original physical or digital college ID card. Xeroxed or temporary ID card will not be accepted. 5. College document authentication. You may capture and upload up to 3 college-issued documents to prove you are currently enrolled in a college. Your document must display your full name, Rahul Sharma, the full name of college, university you are currently attending, Stucred University, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. One original and physical college document is mandatory to upload among 3 documents. Upload 3 different college documents. No similar documents will be accepted. Commonly accepted documents include hall ticket, any semester mark sheet, fees receipt, bona fide certificate, conduct certificate, college issued admit card, college issued library card, college issued bus pass, college issued hostel card, college issued mess ID card, participation certificates from college, registration card,